Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Systeme Marketing Automation, automated marketing software that handles all the details, allowing you to focus on what's important. All the marketing automation you need, all under one roof. Capture leads automatically with integrated funnels and emailing. Automate repetitive email sequences for products and courses. Add automated rules to any element of your website and funnel. Automatically trigger emails and course access. The only marketing platform that gives you everything you need to start and grow a successful online business. The system features work together to help you save time and effort. The Systeme platform was created for entrepreneurs, simplifying the process of building a business. If you're a new user or want to upgrade to a paid plan, you can get a free account. Get your free account now. We make the process easier so that you can concentrate on growing your business. Free forever. No credit card required. All the tools you need under the same roof. Systeme make the whole process easier and faster so that you can focus on what's important, growing your business. Sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program management, business automation, online courses, and evergreen webinars. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.